there's no barrier, not thought of barrier, no physical barrier. There's no barrier. You have to break every barrier to being there in there somewhere in their life.
You see, when there is a passion, when you want to achieve something, and when, let me make one thing very clear, when you are ambitious and when you are wanting to achieve something in life, don't look at your own self. Be very careful that in achieving that ambition, you're not harming anybody.
What kind of roles do you do most?
Many Mahabharat, ye, wo, bahut bright spirit, but one role I would say that sunk into my soul. That was the play of Tendulkar, Khamosh Adalat Zari Hai. And while the other children were laughing, and the teacher was also laughing, I felt, what's happening? What's happening to this girl? Of course, I couldn't enter, but I had a feeling, no, nobody can be treated like that. If I like myself, only then I can like you. मैं खुद ही मुझे hated है, यार तो मुझे कोई अच्छा क्यों लगेगा? Understand? So the basic thing, according to me, which I know is very right, the basic line is inculcate healthy self-respect in the child.
Hello and welcome to a new episode of Inspire India Talks. I am Soumya,
I'm Nupur.
and today we have someone whose journey have been truly inspiring to us, and someone whose journey have reminded us that passion have no age limit. And so our guest for today is Mrs. Sheetal Sharma, and she is an educator. She does theater. She is an author. She is a traveler. She inspire people every day. So it's a
My pleasure, madam.
so it's a very big opportunity for us, and we are so glad that you're here. So before we dive in, I'd like to start with a simpler question. So
Let me first say thank you
okay,
for inviting me. Please.
Sure.
Welcome.
I'm really very happy to be here with you
Yeah.
people and interacting with you. So you shoot whatever you want to ask me. I'm ready for that.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with a very simple, basic question. So, like, describe yourself in one sentence.
Now, you see, you're asking me to sum up my 87 years.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well. I like to put it that way that I'm someone who believes in lifelong learning, experimenting, and different shades of me, and then accordingly reinventing myself.
Yeah.
And I also feel that age is no barrier to chase your dreams and to realize your dreams, which I'm doing.
That is great. Okay, so when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you think about? जहाँ पे you think कि, yeah, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to achieve so much more अभी.
Well, the first thing that comes to my mind when I wake up in the morning is gratitude. A very great sense of gratitude to God for giving me another day of life. And then, that is a very intense moment for me. I feel totally aligned with my Creator. And, I surrender myself, I seek His blessings, and I request that let this day be better than the yesterday. Let me do something better than what I did yesterday. And also, let some excitement creep in my life. That is what I do in the morning.
Ma'am, what does for you growing old means?
Asking me this question, growing old, well, I never feel that I am growing old in a way because age.
I think you are reversing.
Yeah,
that.
you're
Yeah,
reversing
quite
in
right.
age.
That is very interesting question. Sometimes when people ask me like that, I see 87, then I forget. Is it 87 or 78? Then I laugh to myself. I wish this 87 had been happening 10 years back so that I could get more 10 years of 87 like that. So, age has never mattered to me actually, if you ask me.
So it's just a number.
Just a number, yeah, quite right, which has no sense, and you just have to have zest for life, keep laughing, keep living, keep loving, and that is what life means to me.
Okay, so we look at you right now. Okay, but how was young Sheetal? How was your childhood?
Well, that's a interesting question. Like going back to my childhood, that was, I think, pre-partition days. We were in Lahore at that point of time. I mean, if you ask me as a child, my childhood was spent in Lahore. My father was principal of DAV College. So we had a very huge house there. And I remember that as a child, we, in the evenings, there was a long veranda where the whole family used to sit. And I was the one who wanted attention all the time. I just wanted that people should notice me and praise me. Somehow I did not have self confidence in myself. So, what I would do is jump in the middle. I still remember, that scene is so vivid in my mind, other things I have forgotten. I would jump in the middle and start doing some kind of dance. I never knew what dancing is. And I had composed a song also, like Phool Le Lo Phool Koi. So, like that, my childhood was that I was low in self concept and I wanted attention and love from people. That is what Sheetal Datta at that time was.
Okay.
Sharma changed later on.
Yeah.
There was a lot of change, transformation from Datta to Sharma.
So आपने बोला कि you didn't had the confidence in मतलब when you were young. So what do you think? What was that turning point in your life, or like what point when you actually thought कि अब तो बहुत सारा confidence आ गया है?
You see, confidence is a process of growing up. Like when I was a child, I remember that I was not very fond of studying. और मुझे रोज जब होमवर्क होता था तो I had a very tough time. I wanted somebody to do that work for me. My elder sister was very kind. She would do all the sums for me. So I was not very good. But then as you grow, start looking into your own self and you realize your own potentials. And, can you imagine a child who was not wanting to do anything in the school, not even the homework? I stood fourth in the university when I did my B.Ed. So when there is a will, when there is a passion, everything comes to you automatically. That is how it is.
So basically, it's been a long journey. So obviously, at your age, so हमारे जैसे एज में 30s 20s में भी people would think कि यार अभी बहुत कुछ कर लिया है, अभी क्या करना है. So that mentality I'm talking about. But for reaching to that place, we also have to play this journey. And यहाँ से वहाँ तक की जर्नी में there is a lot of things a person go through, whether he is a male or female. So there's a difference between a woman who is achieving something in her life or a man. So और it is common thing कि हम दोनों के लिए ही जर्नी सेम रहती है. And you being a woman, so there's a lot of question I'm going to portray right now. So first question is कि is there a difference between men and women to coming to your age and redefining life again? And the other question is that as a young person, like not mentally young I would say, but we are lacking a lot of things right now. You are having कि भाई there's lot more to life and we think that at least we have done this much. So there's mental pressure or something, or there is something that we need to learn by moving ahead in life. So this is my question कि first
Okay, fine. Now, basically, there are two questions. That is there any difference between the journey of a man and a woman
yes,
to reaching at a certain height
yes,
or achieving the mission? I would put it that way, that basically, primarily, in these times, I don't think there is any difference, because there is a lot of freedom given to the girls, and they are full of dreams. They are flying, they are liberated. They don't have any compulsion to do this or do that, to marry. No, I've seen so many young girls at the age of 50, 60. They're not married at all. I mean, they are fully liberated. They are living their own life on their own terms,
yes,
as men are doing. So therefore, there is a lot of difference between the journey what these girls are doing these days and what we did in our times. In our time, what was it? Well, we have to do this education, BA, MA कर लो. उसके बाद क्या करना है आपको? आपने शादी करनी है. It was like that. For us at that point of time, career was not a choice.
Yes.
Nobody thought of it like those times. There were so many people who did opt for it, but primarily for the girls, the journey was a different path.
Yes.
Becoming a housewife, a good mother, a good everything. And for men, they were the home, they had to earn the bread and all that kind of stuff. But now I don't think there is any difference. So that was the first question. Now coming to your second question, like youngsters feeling that they are not able to achieve or anything, I would say, come on, get up. There's a mental block in you. What is stopping you? You look into yourself. There's so much of talent hidden inside you. Tap that talent. And if you tap that talent, be unstoppable. Reach the height. That is what I would say.
So for you, like there's no barrier, not thought of barrier, no physical barrier. There's no barrier. You have to break every barrier.
There is no barrier. What kind of barrier can it be? You see, when there is a passion, when you want to achieve something, and let me make one thing very clear. When you are ambitious and when you are wanting to achieve something in life, don't look at your own self. Be very careful that in achieving that ambition, you're not harming anybody. As long as you're not harming anybody, then you're free. Why should you not achieve what you want to achieve and get happiness for yourself? And then when you get that happiness, always remember that it is your Creator who has given you this happiness. So thank you, God, for making me what I am today. And I have not harmed anybody. Everybody is happy with me, and so am I right now. That is how it is.
True.
So I would say that make your life journey good, interesting, joyful, without harming anybody, giving love to everybody. That is what life is for me.
Okay, so I'm very interested to know about your theater thing. Okay, like how did you start?
Little story behind this theatre. My husband, we were together in college and we were in love and we got married. And my husband was a very different kind of a person than I am. I would put it that way. He was very liberated person. I mean, he never felt that a woman's role lies inside the house. She has to realize her potential. But I was very, kind of shy, as I told you. I felt that I have to be very good housewife. And he just sort of said, shed all those kinds of feelings and you just move on and you start doing little different things. And he was very fond of music, so was I. I used to play guitar and he used to play piano. I was fond of Indian music, he was fond of Western music. He wanted me to step outside the house and enjoy different kind of things, what I should be. And at one point of time, he was attached to Cultural Affairs Department. That is the time, when he had a lot of meetings with National School of Drama, Mr. Al-Qazi, and the theatre artists they started coming to our house because our house became their den. Whenever they came to Chandigarh, they would come and meet us. And we found their stories very interesting and, like inspiring and that kind of stuff. And then suddenly, the Department of Indian Theatre started by Balwant Karki. So I was the first one to get admission into that department. And I was trained by Mr. Balwant Karki for 1 year. And that was my forte. I did a lot of theatre for about 6-7 years while I was in Chandigarh. I was attached to different companies. They would sort of take us as artists and we would do theatre.
So, what kind of roles do you do mostly?
Many Mahabharat, ye, wo, bahut bright spirit, but one role I would say that sunk into my soul. That was the play of Tendulkar, Khamosh Adalat Zari Hai. I mean, even now I feel that I can relive that role.
You can
That
sense
role
it.
was main role. I did that. It was a woman who's seeking and crying for justice.
Okay.
That is why the role was the खामोश अदालतजारी है. And I was so much engrossed in that role. Believe me, that while doing that role towards the end, I would really be crying. And that gave me a lot of catharsis, satisfaction, and then lot of applause. So theatre was a very powerful tool for me. I found it a very creative medium, which is not limited only on stage. Of course, I enjoyed my stage performances very much because when there is a clap, the lights are on, and the tears are dropping, and people are clapping. You know, it's a huge moment for you, for any actor. But then I felt that theatre is not limited to stage. It is a creative field, and it can be used in any field of your life, whether it is teaching, even in cooking. You know, creativity does come in. ये डिश में ये लगाना है, green लगाना है, you know.
That's there is a
So
master
that's what I'm
chef.
saying. So the theatre has got many, you know, like size, creativity, lot of things it teaches you, human emotions. You realize that when you are on theatre, you are doing different roles. And while you are doing different roles, then you realize that the emotions are universal.
Yes.
You know, everybody will accept the same way to love. The character I'm talking. And everybody will react the same way to jealousy. So you realize that the emotions are universal. So it's a great learning experience for me. I enjoyed it.
So you talked about teaching. So I'm interested. How did you like come in teaching ki field?
You know, there it seems that there is always a cause behind an action. I never intended to be a teacher actually.
Okay.
Theatre I enjoyed very much, but one day what had happened was that my youngest daughter, she was in nursery class, and that was a private school, you know, housed in a private building, and one class was being held in the open garage, and I had gone to pick up my daughter. She was in nursery, and I could see from the gate from the garage. I mean, I'll never forget that scene in my life. I mean, that made me a teacher. I saw that there was one girl, she was standing, and I could see her, you know, like shaking, and I had a feeling that she's crying. And while the other children were laughing, and the teacher was also laughing, I got creeps. I felt, what's happening? What's happening to this girl? Of course, I couldn't enter, but I had a feeling, no, nobody can be treated like that. So I have to become a teacher. So that is how I entered into teaching field. So as a teacher, I was very popular, by the way. Children loved me. And you know,
I don't disagree with that.
Yeah, same.
I hope you two also like it.
I have to
You know,
started loving
I still
you.
remember, you know, theatre teaches you how to emote. You know, you have to show your
Emotions, yes.
your voice modulation, your eye contact, and these things are very useful as a teacher. You know, when you are teaching them in the same kind of a monotone kind of a a tone, then they get very much bored. There is you know, like theatre. This is why I said that theatre entered into my teaching also, and in writing also. So theatre played a lot of kind of part into my life.
I wish मेरी भी teachers ऐसे होते हैं.
Same.
Sorry, your
हम
teacher.
like हमारे भी teachers आप जैसे होते तो we would have, you know.
No, you know what happens is that you become a good teacher or good principal, whatever it is. Firstly, you got to love the field in which you are in.
Totally agree.
आपने बोला ना स्टक मैं क्यों हूँ, आप स्टक नहीं हैं. आप लव करो जिस जगह पर हो आप, और एक्सप्लोर करो उसमें आप बेटर क्या कर सकते हो. So when I entered teaching, it was the innate love of children, because that crying girl I could never forget. I never met her later, but she was there in my mind. So I thought that I have to keep my children very happy. And I still remember, you see, the children are so sensitive. If you own them up and if you give them love, they become part of you. And this is the later stage when I was not the teacher, I was the principal. One day a teacher came to me, she said that this boy makes a lot of this thing, distraction in the class and is not doing the work seriously and all that kind of stuff. I mean, she did not say much, but the judgment was that he is not up to the mark. So I said, okay, you send him to me. I still remember that tall boy, थोड़ा सांवला सा रंग था उसका. तो आई कॉल्ड हिम. तो नाम अब मुझे याद नहीं है. सो आई कॉल्ड हिम. आई सेड आओ आओ बेटे मेरे क्लास में आओ. ही वॉज वेरी हेजिटेंट पर आया वो. तो मैंने कहा बैठो आप बैठो. तो बैठ भी गया वो. तो मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा कि आपकी मैम ने क्या वो क्या वो. आई जस्ट सेड आपकी क्या हॉबीज़ हैं, यू नो डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड ही सडनली यू नो लाइक ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन मी बिकॉज आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन हिम कि तुम्हारी क्या हॉबी हैं, तुम्हारे क्या दोस्त हैं. एंड व्हेन ही वाज स्लाइटली लूजनड अप, सो आई सेड आप मेरे पास आ जाओ, इधर बैठो. देन ही केम एंड सेट नेक्स्ट टू माई चेयर. देन आस्क्ड हिम, आई सेड कि आपको कोई चीज़ है जो तंग करती है. ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. मतलब and he put his head in my lap and started crying. I was very much moved. I mean, it's a real thing I'm telling you. So I asked him, क्या बात है बेटा? You see, his parents, they were not getting up well. आपस में उनका झगड़ा होता होगा. So that was disturbing the child so much. So he told me like that only, कि मेरे को बहुत दिक्कत लगती है वगैरह वगैरह whatever it is. So I told him, I said, ठीक है, it's okay. I am there for you. Okay, I am your mother. So I love you very much. We all love you very much. So, you know, I took him to the class. We sort of made him that everybody will clap for him. He's a good boy, like that. Made a song. We told everybody. Matlab, we were really creative. Told everybody to write a good line about that boy. You know. So when he got so many letters, not letters, थोड़ी पर्चियाँ छोटी छोटी होती हैं, तो उसको देखिए उसका सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ पहुँच गया. And then of course we called the parents. We would not make any judgment, but we told them कि थोड़ा आपके बच्चे को ये असर हो रहा है तो आप देख लीजिएगा. But whatever their story was, I have no idea. But I know that we owned up that child and we brought so many smiles on his face. That is what it is.
And it's a huge work, I think. It's not
Yeah, it's
just
a huge
working
work.
on a single person.
Yeah,
I think
yeah. But then, you see, unless you give individual attention to the children,
totally agree with that.
you don't treat them as a crowd, then they're lost.
Lost.
They don't belong to you. You have to create that bonding with them. So every day, you know, in my school, it was very different. I mean, phenomena. जो मैंने बाहर देखा मैंने वो कर चुकी थी अपने स्कूल में. You see, the school was theirs, not mine, not ours. They had their own committees. They will make their own rules. They will have their own monitors. They will say that water में वो टैप है तो बंद होना चाहिए. But everything, desk साफ होना चाहिए, whatever it is. Because you see, when they make their own rules, they have to abide by them.
Yes.
There is no force on them. And like that we did with the parents also. You know, parents कोई architecture है, कोई doctor है, so we made a, you know, like committee of them also, involved them into the school. So the school was not ours. The school was a common property for all of them. तो बड़े मज़े में काम चलता था. हम तो बड़ी खुशी खुशी चलाते थे. बच्चे करते थे काम, हम देखते थे. You know, when you own up a thing, you want to keep it lovingly.
Yes.
That is the beautiful. So you have to understand that, you know, हर चीज़ में जैसे आप खाना बनाते हैं तो नमक ठीक ढंग से डालना चाहिए. तो जब बच्चे को आप ट्रीट कर रहे हैं तो देखना पड़ता है क्या क्या नुआंसेस हैं. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दैट. तो जब किसी की चीज़ अपनी हो जाती है तो फिर वो देखेगा इसको ठीक से. स्कूल साफ होना चाहिए. इवन यू नो टू द गार्ड दे वुड से भाई आपको ठीक से खड़े हो. Like that. I mean, it's interesting, you know.
I think ma'am,
found
you
it
have
very.
almost covered every aspect of your life. Like
Exactly.
the random question we'll ask, you have almost covered everything. You know, aspect of everything, from education to
That is
adventure.
what say that I live my life fully.
Exactly. Yes, totally. Yeah,
I not only live my life fully, I involve everybody in my life. That is how it becomes full. You know. That is what really fully means. Even in my house, like, it's, I mean, it's so touching that, like 500 rupees will not matter much to me. But when you give your maid, शाम को बाजार जा रही है, तुम इसका कुछ ले लेना, तो you just see her eyes, there's so much of gratitude, she won't believe. तो मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि ये 500 का नोट इनके लिए कितना मीनिंग रखता है, तो ज़्यादा देना चाहिए, मतलब डू दैट मोर फ्रीक्वेंटली. सो दैट इज, तो प्यार भी करते हैं फिर लोग.
Way of life. I think
Yeah,
this is
way of
the
life.
way of life.
Yeah, always I feel give more than you receive.
That is
Even
true.
though you're not having anything, then also you have lot of things to give.
Yeah, you see, enough का आपका अपना definition है, right? Nobody has enough that way. मैं भी देखती हूँ, मेरी friends हैं, कहाँ कहाँ घूमते हैं, they have big houses. I don't have such a big house. बहुत बहुत चीज़ें हैं उनके पास, diamonds होंगे, सब कुछ होगा. But then I say to God that what you have given to me is mine. I'm very happy with what you have. Desires have no end,
And yes,
but needs are only certain. And when the needs are met, thank you, God. I'm blessed. I'm very happy. And very happy with you both also. That is how I am. I can't love people. That's my problem.
मैम आपकी इतनी बड़ी जर्नी है, सो वन ऑफ द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी जो आपने पैराग्लाइडिंग की, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड दैट करेज? आई लाइक पर्सनली आई वांटेड टू नो हाउ डिड यू फाइंड दैट करेज?
You see, it's Pehli, I'm very fond of traveling. Like exploring new places, seeing different cultures. Like मैंने बोला ना, ऑस्ट्रिया गए तो साल्सबार्ग में जाना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था, क्योंकि देयर वाज अ पर्पस. आई टू सी दैट मोज़ार्ट स्क्वायर एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो थाईलैंड में हम लोग गए थे. वी वर अ टीम ऑफ अस एंड वी वर सिटिंग एट द बीच. तो बीच में तो वो आ गया कि ऐसे पैराग्लाइडिंग किसी ने करना होगा. यू सी द थिंग इज दैट इम्पल्सिवली आई सेड यस. आई वाज वेयरिंग अ साड़ी, माइंड यू.
Oh my God.
और ये भी नहीं कि साड़ी कहाँ उड़ेगी. So I had to tuck in my sari and ऊपर. So what I feel is that when you think too much, analyze too much, then the fear will crop in.
Yes.
And when the fear will crop in, then there is going to be stop. So when so many people are doing it, अब हवाई जहाज में भी तो आप बैठते हैं ना, एक्सीडेंट होते ही हैं ना, तो मत ट्रेवल करो भाई. तो पैराग्लाइडिंग भी बहुत लोग करते हैं. ऑन द इम्पल्स आई वाज अप, एंड इट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. आई मीन आई एंजॉयड इट. थ्रिलिंग.
Nobody can stop you.
Yes, I would say that nobody can stop me.
That's an endless journey.
That is true.
So, we were talking about teaching, okay? तो do you think कि पहले का एजुकेशन सिस्टम और अभी का एजुकेशन सिस्टम में से कुछ डिफरेंस आया है?
देखिए, हाँ ज़रूर. जब पहले के एजुकेशन सिस्टम में टेक्नोलॉजी की एंट्री नहीं थी, कंप्यूटर क्लासरूम नहीं थे, और थोड़ा सब्जेक्ट के चॉइस की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं थी.
That is true.
It was very strict. Either you follow A stream, science, or B. But now they have introduced flexibility.
Yeah.
You can choose, different subjects. If you go to art, you can choose science also. Then education has become more inclusive also. Now they are trying to make teaching, learning process more student-centric. Now they are doing it, but it's just,
It's just
I mean,
formality, I think
it's
they're
just a
doing.
formality. It is not
Yes.
happening actually.
Yeah.
Still there is rote memory, academic preference. But there is one good thing, that they have introduced many like skill-oriented courses,
Yes.
so that after their 12th, passing the 12th class and things like that, they are able to fend for themselves, those who want to join something. Though it is not happening, still there are many people who are unemployed, but still there is some little change in the education system. And there's another good thing that has happened is, I mean, up to class 9th, that at one point of time there was only one examination at the end of the term. Now they have terminal examination, so that the pressure of studies is little less on the students. But कहें तो कहानी वहीं पर आती है. मेरा बच्चा 99.9 ले ले, कैसे भी ले ले, तो वो चाहे वो बाद में चोरी करे कुछ भी करे, पर कहीं दाखला हो जाए उसका. That is, so the character building aspect, even in our times and even now, is very much lacking. आप देखते हैं रेड लाइट लोग क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, कोई वो बोतल पी के सड़क पर फेंक रहा है, all that kind of thing. Unless these things, these habits are inculcated right down in the school level, they will not become good human beings. That has to start from the
I
beginning.
mean, that is the main principle of schooling.
Exactly.
They
have
are
to
not doing
become,
the main thing.
You're very right. They have to become good human beings. First, they have to be good to themselves.
Yes.
True.
Yes.
If I like myself, only then I can like you. मैं खुद ही मुझे hated है, यार तो मुझे कोई अच्छा क्यों लगेगा? Understand? So the basic thing, according to me, which I know is very right, the basic line is inculcate healthy self-respect in the child. Help him to love himself, help him to realize his responsibilities. Like the textbooks I wrote, in many of them, there are activities towards this. Like for 1 week, after dinner, what you're doing to help your parents. Things like that. Or when you're angry, how you're going to control your anger. Or 1 week, you have to share something with your friend. So inculcating the right values, the morals in children is very important. That makes the education complete, not otherwise. I believe very firmly in that.
How do you stay so positive?
Huh? So positive.
Yeah.
अब I'm made up like that, because अब आपको मिली हूँ, I like you both very much. आप तो शायद दोबारा मुझे नहीं मिलना चाहेंगे, but I like to.
No.
I'd love
That's
to.
not true.
But I'm just stating myself that my general nature is to like people. I love them. I make friends very easily. And when I do that, it's kind of a love that is flowing from me. So when it flows from me, it comes back to me also.
It's just a reflection, I think.
Yeah.
Reflection.
So it's like that. So it is two-way relationship. So when it is two-way relationship, you are very positive. I am positive, and if I am positive, you will also feel positive towards me. So it's a mutual kind of a thing.
And one personal question, like I would
Sure,
like to
please,
ask.
not too
Like,
personal.
no, like you have mostly given, your growth or your mindset, the credit to your husband also. So, is it very important a companionship for a woman or for a partner? So, being this much confident or being growing to in your life and everything. So, companionship do matters, right?
Sure, it does matter. Like there can be abusive husbands. There
Very
can
true.
be husbands who are cheating on you. So your life is ruined. So compatibility is very important. Like it is not only for the man, it's for the woman also.
Exactly.
When the husband comes back from the office, she has to be all concerned for him. It's not one way, it's both ways. Love देंगे तो love मिलेगा, केयर देंगे तो केयर मिलेगा. अब मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे इतना कुछ सिखाया, तो he was also happy that I'm able to achieve, and he was proud of me. And
That's
I
great.
also feel very, now of course he's no more and I miss him very much. And I fill up my loneliness. There are so many ways, like I've learned to be independent, to be on my own. And this is another lesson that I've learned in my life, that it is your journey. And you have to walk alone on that journey. There will be, on the way, there will be people who love you. But there will be some moments when you're just by yourself. And you should not be afraid of being alone. You should be independent and take care of your own self. Even now, I'm 87 this year, I have to remember my age on. Very interesting. Let me still tell a joke. I think 2 days back, once a year I go to the hospital for my, general kind of a thing. So the doctor recommended some kind of a test to be done. तो हॉस्पिटल में मैं बैठी हूँ, तो हॉस्पिटल में ही मैं आप फ़ोन कर रही हूँ उनका जो काउंटर होता है, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो वेयर द काउंटर इज़. सो मैंने बोला कि ऐसे ऐसे मेरे को डॉक्टर ने ये टेस्ट बोला है, तो नंबर आपका क्या है. मैंने अपना नंबर बता दिया, मोबाइल नंबर रजिस्टर. ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है. तो ये इस डेट को फलां फलां. मैंने कहा ये तो डेट बहुत आगे की आप दे रहे हैं, तो आप कौन बोल रहे हैं. इन दैट गाय आस्क्ड. आई सेड भाई मैं तो पेशेंट बोल रही हूँ. ही सेड जी आपकी आवाज़ तो बड़ी यंग आ रही है. Honestly, I'm telling you. So we both laughed and laughed. I said हाँ भी मैं ही हूँ, मैं ही 80. कहता नहीं जी आप 87 प्लस हो गए.
So you've been getting a lot of compliment every time, huh?
No,
You
no,
go
it's-
outside.
it is the kindness of people. I would put it that.
You being modest.
No,
Yeah.
no. Modest and being modest, okay? I take it as a compliment.
Do compliment.
Thank you for inviting me and giving me the compliment.
Somewhere, why we are complimenting you, because we also somewhere look like okay. एक age के बाद I also wanted to be
Same.
be where you are, or
You will be.
and
I'm telling you, if you want, nothing can stop you.
Yeah.
I tell you that
I do
you have to
believe in
dream and you have to believe in your Creator. Seek His blessings, align with Him, and just request Him that I want this. Help me to reach there. And He'll create ways for you. You have to have faith in what you want. You have to have belief in what you want. And you have to have belief in yourself and in your Creator. If you don't believe in yourself, you're nowhere.
That is very true. So how, okay, I am so keen. How did you start modeling?
Sorry?
How did you start modeling?
most awaited question.
Exactly.
Well, you see, it has always been my passion to learn new things,
Okay.
to experiment. So that is how the modeling came into my life, that I just wanted to learn. Theatre was there already in my, right from the beginning, that 6-7-year-old girl was doing that dance, Phool le lo, phool koi. So from theatre, then you come to modeling. So learning something new has always been my passion. That is how, I've been changing from like theatre to writing to educationist to everything. So learning the skill of modeling, that is something to add excitement in my life. लाइफ बहुत बोरिंग हो जाती है ना, अब आप अकेले रहते हो तो एक्साइटमेंट चाहिए आपको. एंड आई फाउंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग माई जर्नी फ्रॉम थिएटर टू मॉडलिंग, दैट इन थिएटर you see, you are always engaging yourself in emotions. What you emote and your eye contact and how you deliver your dialogue. So it's an emotional journey kind of a thing. But this modeling is not emotional language. It is a body language. Something different. You don't emote. Your body has to speak. Your posture has to be right. They always remind me, I hope my posture is right. Posture has to be right. You have to pose this way, that way. I hope that way. And poise. So this is all that you have to learn. And it's very interesting to learn something new. And I'm enjoying doing it. And the people with whom I'm doing this journey, it's called DMAS Company. They are very nice people, very encouraging, very inspiring. They say, very good, very good. So I do much better. That is how, you see, when you give, you receive. I respect them and they also do the same. It's always there, everywhere. Wherever you are, people are kind to you when you are nice to them. So they are also very nice to me, very inspiring, very encouraging. They have made me a model what I am. I knew nothing about it. So they have taught me that posture has to be the right thing. Poise has to be the right thing. Like that. Look this way, look that way.
Okay, we are getting a free classes of that.
Exactly.
We are going to.
I can teach you now. I'm ready to teach you.
Okay, teach us a pose.
Huh?
Teach us a nice pose. How to pose.
How to pose?
Yeah.
Yes. This is not the way to sit.
Okay.
Sit no elegantly.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
Like, am I looking good?
Yeah.
More than us.
I hope they taken the picture.
It's already been taken. So,
That is how it is, like.
ma'am, when you talk about modeling and everything, yeah, somewhere I find that ki society is going to judge any way person doing or not. But how did you manage to get
Yeah.
through is like, what if the society thinks like people do things about the petty things, but you're doing doing something that even a single person cannot think about. But crossing that thing and leaving society behind, I mean, it's a great challenge to do.
How people are accepting me as a model, that is your basic question. Now there are two sets of people, society, say friends, and my family. And I would say that, let me first talk of my friends. I think my friends are very excited about it. Because even in my own circle, यार ये 87 जाता ही नहीं है. आई एम द एल्डेस्ट. अब क्या करूँ मैं कहती हूँ मैं 78 हूँ अब. In my own circle, like a friends, I've got many friends, बहुत हैं. So I am the eldest. And I am the one, in every social gathering, I'm making noise. Dancing around, singing around, things like that. So they have seen that part of, like in me. And they always call, I'm feeling a little humble saying that. They always say that you are very inspiring. And I don't know whether I'm inspiring or not, but I feel happy that they find me inspiring. It's okay. It doesn't matter to me, but they like me. That is more important. So they have taken to my modeling in a very nice way. They are very happy. And they every day they'll ask me, what next, what next? And my family, the dynamics has totally changed. Can you believe me that my daughters and me, it's not daughter-mother relationship. We are all friends now.
Okay.
They'll come and say, oh मम्मी आप ये लिपस्टिक लगाओ, आप ये कॉस्ट्यूम ले लो, आपके लिए ये अच्छा है. Like we are all in this journey together. Even my granddaughters, she came here, she took photographs. दादी दादी ये डालो आप Instagram में. Like we are all together in this journey, and they are also very happy that I am doing this modeling. Honestly, I mean it's a joy for the whole family.
That is true.
We are like friends now. कोई दादी मम्मी नहीं है, मतलब we are all friends. Even my grandchildren are my friends. Oh, नानी ये कर लिया. It's like that. So I am being accepted by them very gracefully, very affectionately, and they appreciate it a lot. I am very thankful to them. I will go and tell them.
In that terms, you're lucky because
Yeah, I
mostly people
यार
are.
दोगे तो मिलेगा.
So that means it doesn't matter for you that what the society think about it. Doesn't matter.
never. क्या देखो.
Definitely.
You see, never be scared unless you're doing. मेरा पहला शुरू में बोला था, कोई भी जब आप काम करते हैं, अगर उसमें किसी का नुकसान नहीं हो रहा, तो आपको परवाह करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो मेरी मॉडलिंग में मैं किसका नुकसान कर रही हूँ? किसी का नहीं कर रही ना.
Correct.
आई एम जस्ट enjoying. I'm excited. I'm getting pleasure out of it. I'm not harming anybody. So I'm happy. I'm okay. अगर कोई जजमेंट करता है, तो let that be. It's not my problem. It is that person's problem. उसको प्रॉब्लम होगी, होने दो. मुझे क्या है? मैं तो ठीक हूँ. Right?
Yes, true.
Very true. Okay, so like again, you're living fully. So what would you like? What's one advice you'll give to today's youth?
So when they are in that up position, they should always feel grateful to God and remember those happy moments and keep them in their treasure box. ये मेरा happy box है. So when they are down, they don't have to feel disappointed. Open your happy box and look at that happy box. God has given you that also. So again say, God, thank you. I want that. Please give me that. And God will give you one day or the other. That is one thing. And second, I would say that they should stay grounded and they should not become, like what I said, that must learn the art of forgiveness, must learn the art of loving and spreading happiness. And whatever responsibility is given to them, assignment given to them, they must discharge it sincerely and passionately. That is the right way to live. Stay humble, stay grounded, and face the ups and downs of life evenly.
What's one advice you'll give to 20-year-old Sheetal?
20-year-old Sheetal. 20-year-old Sheetal, I think I'll tell her that I don't know why did you feel so many complexes that people are not noticing you when you were also good looking at that time, by the way. I never realized actually.
I can agree with that
Yeah,
point.
and honestly, I'm telling you. And even then, I think people were quite fond of me, but I think I was too shy to acknowledge that, frankly speaking. I mean, I had friends at that time when we were in college. There were many followers there. ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन I was too shy to acknowledge because I was never confident. I couldn't believe. तो अगर मैं believe करती तो फिर अलग बात थी, पर तब ऐसा नहीं था मेरे साथ. तब मैं थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस में कम थी. अपनी एबिलिटी, इवन ऑन माई लुक्स, कोई भी चीज़ थी. मैं आई रिमेंबर दैट इवन व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, people used to, many, like I used to got lot of compliments on my eyes, बहुत सारे. पर मुझे कभी लगा ही नहीं कि मेरी आईज में कुछ खास बात है बताइए.
There's a lot of things I can
I'm just
agree with
telling
it.
you. So, when your confidence is not so good, it's a bit low, then you don't realize your own potential. So, उस वक्त शीतल दत्ता, ये तुम्हारी गलती थी ये. पर कोई बात नहीं, लाइफ में आगे बहुत अच्छा हो गया.
Ma'am,
वो
the
शीतल दत्ता है ही
confidence.
नहीं.
Sorry to cut you.
It's
Confidence for
over.
you, confidence is
As I say,
appearance.
up and down.
Okay.
So, I have to now see my treasure box which is full of happiness. So, I don't have to think of that. It's over.
Okay.
That was part of my growing up.
I totally.
So, we all grow up in a different way. So, after the result becomes pleasant, then that is over. It's over and gone, forgotten. That's all. I'm happy today. Happy being with you.
So I was asking, ki, confidence for you is appearance or it is something
That comes from within.
within?
You see, like appearance, when you are young at that age, mind you both girls are. Let me tell you. I'll ask you, is appearance important or not? Tell me, girls.
Very.
है ना. मैंने क्या इयरिंग्स पहने हैं. आज मैंने क्या ड्रेस पहना है. Right? There is my
Maybe
waistline,
ma'am,
but-
it boosts your confidence.
True,
It
very true.
boosts
Sorry?
it boosts your inner confidence. It helps your inner confidence.
Yeah,
to-
exactly. It does. You see, parents does matter. Like whenever you are going out somewhere, even college, meeting some friend, anywhere, the way you look are at home. Look at yourself in the mirror at that point of time. And when you're going out, look at yourself at that point of time.
Totally
There's a lot
agree.
of difference. Your appearance is very different. You're looking beautiful. You're looking nice. But when you're at home, it's okay, different. So appearance does matter. But appearance not alone. Unless there is a glow in your soul, mind my words. Unless there is a glow in your soul, which has to reflect on your face, then your appearance will be good.
Remarkable words.
हाँ, कपड़ों से कुछ नहीं होगा. Soul has to be that divine spark. That will come. वो आँखों में भी आएगा. Everywhere it will be there.
Yes,
You
I
know?
totally.
That divinity that you carry with yourself is a very important part of your life. And therefore, ultimately, you see, you have to align yourself with your creator. That's very important. मैं तो रोज़ जब सुबह उठती हूँ, बोला ना लाइन, तो मेरा सुबह हाफ एन आवर जो वॉक है, वो मेरे भजन चलते रहते हैं, तो बस उसी ग्रेटिट्यूड में घूमती रहती हूँ, झूमती रहती हूँ, है ना. और फिर कहती हूँ आज क्या एक्साइटमेंट आएगा. आज एक्साइटमेंट ये था कि आपके साथ बात करनी है.
Wow,
That was
wow.
very exciting for me also.
Okay.
I know. Now you are liking questions. Should I
No,
ask you
not.
questions?
I'm not lacking question. I think
I'm just looking at you. I'm just admiring it at this point.
Oh God, that has made this podcast so memorable for me.
for us
I would like to come again.
us too.
It's really lovely talking to you girls. बहुत देखिए आप अपनी खूबसूरती को एंजॉय करिए. Honestly, I'm telling you, जब मेरे को अच्छी वाइब आप दे रही हैं, तो अपनी वाइब को तो पहचान लीजिए. You know, so I'm feeling good being with you. Why? Because you're giving me good vibes. So they are within you. So realize your own goodness also. That's very important.
Lot of confidence we are getting right now.
Okay, so if you can go back in time,
Back in time.
yeah.
You have to define the time.
There's a lot of time we have to
I have gone to the time when I was a child. I have gone to the time when I was 20 years old. No, when I was not born. Which time you're talking
I mean,
about?
earlier in your life, would you ever change something about yourself or about some event that happened?
No, I don't think so. I don't want to reverse anything that has happened. Nothing, not at all. I'm quite, what happened has happened. And there are no regrets. So why should I want to change anything? God has blessed me with my good children, good family. I have no regrets actually. You know, like, and then the art of forgiveness. ये भगवान ने दिया है मेरे को यार. मैंने तो पैदा नहीं किया ना, वो भगवान ही देता है. तो ये जो माफ़ करने की जो आपकी होती है ना, वो सब ख़त्म कर देती है, कोई रिग्रेट नहीं छोड़ती है. सो माई लाइफ इज़ वेरी गुड, मूविंग इवनली, स्मूथली, एक्साइटेडली, अनस्टॉपेबल. आई एम गोइंग अहेड and becoming a model.
Okay, so one last message that you want to give to the people who are gonna watch this.
That I would like to say that be creative, be passionate, and be unstoppable.
It was so nice talking to you,
So
and
nice
we
talking.
had so much fun.
Same here. I would say that my pleasure being your guest.
Our honors. Okay, thank you, ma'am, for joining us, and it's been a pleasure watching you, talking you, and I think we'll rewatch your videos again and again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Honestly, I am feeling greatly honored. No, the young girls talking, you know, like thinking so much and then talking about my life. I mean, it's an honor for me too. Also, thank you.
At least we have to go a lot far, na? So we need that kind of energy, that kind of.
No, I'm leaving a lot of energy with you. Don't worry. Bring a box. I'll put 10 in that.
Okay, we'll carry that. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
No, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much.